What are you doing?
I'm trying to cut this up so it'll fit around the jack on the trailer so we can put a winch on there. Need a new battery right now.
Thanks, DeWalt. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Poverty Acres' first video. And today we are working on some of our junk to make a car trailer not have to hurt ourselves every time we load something. We've had this trailer for probably 5 or 6 years, and every time we haul something, we always say, let's put a winch on it. And then we don't, and then we continue to just not. So today we decided we're going to do it. We'll see how that works out.
Not a lot to weld there on the front, but if I lay it over on the other side, then I don't know if I'd weld. You could probably get inside there on both sides. Get along here.
I think that'll be fine.
Okay.
As they always say, grinder and paint makes the welder you ain't. Because when you're using a welder that's 100 years old, this is what you get.